In this video, we'll walk you through creating and modifying test cases in Zephyr. The first thing you need to do to create a test case is to click the blue New Test Case button on the Zephyr main page. From here, you can name your test case, add an objective, as well as a precondition. You can also edit the default detail fields here and select a status. For today, we will click Needs Review, or a priority. I will keep it at low. You can also assign it to an owner or even add an estimated runtime if you have that data. If you'd like to add it to a folder, this is where you would choose that folder. And if you'd like to add any labels to the test case, this is where you would apply that. Otherwise, you can also edit the custom fields here depending on what you've added in your Zephyr configuration. Then you can just click Create button. And your test case is created. Next, I will cover how to view and modify that test. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Zephyr main page. Then find the test case that you are trying to modify, whether it is in a folder or not. Then simply click on the test case. This is where the details of the test case reside, including the description, the details, and the custom fields. From here, you can modify any of the displayed fields. We'll change my test type to functional and assign myself as the QA lead. Okay, let's go add to the test script. Our test script can be written in a few different ways, including plain text, which is one long text field, or BDD Gherkin, which is the given when then syntax, or the step-by-step type, where you have the ability to separate your step, your data, and your expected results. If you notice here, these are rich text editors as well, where you can add images. For example, what you expect the page to look like once it gets to a certain stage in your test. Let's add some steps to our test case. Now we've successfully learned how to add steps to our test case. Another really cool feature is data injection. So instead of just injecting any data manually in the test data field, we do have test data parameters, which would be like a single value. And we also have test data sets, which is an iteration of data, and those are stored in our configuration section in Zephyr. On the right here as well, you can see that you are able to add any comments or attachments related to your test case. But for now, we won't be adding anything. And now we're successfully learned how to view and modify your test case. If you want to learn more about Zephyr, check out the full walkthrough video or try it for free with the link in the description.